why is the parking lot is filled with cars, and the industrial park is filled with trailers. The first time you see that many trailers. All these trailers are loaded and minus 10 degrees. And that is the first time I see so many cars. Those are employees of the company. This is the company right there. This is Amy's Kitchen in Pocatello, Colorado. All these trailers are running minus 10. It seems like the beginning of the fall and the end of summer. Life is coming back to the economy. Today, everywhere you go, trucks are everywhere. Lines and lines of trucks. Everything here is running. Minus 10. All these trailers are loaded, which means you need a lot of people to work in. This is a trailer I'm taking back to the rail, and this is a trailer that's coming from cold storage. So they bring the raw food here to process it to manufacture it into prepared meals, and they export or they ship the prepared meals over the rail throughout the United States. That's Amy's Kitchen.